Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a mini notebooks like this. So you will need scissors, rubber, pencil and a page. So let's go start. You can fold the page like this. Once you did that, you can fold this half again. Like this. Okay, so once you did that, you're going to open it again. Like this, you can open it. Do you see these lines? You have to fold it to that. Then, you're going to fold this part in half like this. Like this. Okay? Then you're going to do again like this. Look, do you see this? Like this. Then you're going to open it again 2 times. You make squares over like that, okay? Then once you did that, fold it in half like this again. You see that line? You do it through that. Then you need the scissors. You can cut it through here. Look, see? These lines. Only these 3 lines, okay? Look like this. You don't cut it through here, okay? Then you are going to open it up, and then you can cut these like this over here. Only these 2, okay? So through the lines, okay? Then you did this, you see this, you can fold them up, okay? Well, the down ones are down and then the up ones are up, okay? You have to fold them like this. Then you can flip it over like this. Then you can fold. So once you did this, a square, you're going to fold this part in half like this. Then the other one. Well, see, you make this. Then you're going to do this. Now this is the hard part, okay? You're going to see this. You're going to fold it through, then this. See, you did it. You made a mini notebook. See, same size. Then you're going to, do you see these little lines above? So look, see, do you see this one like that? You have to cut them, okay? So I'll cut it. Carefully you have to cut. Don't bite your finger. Make sure to not bite your finger. You might hurt. will need a step. You will need to you can draw anything on the front. So like this. So I'm going to draw you will need a rubber as well if you did a mistake. See, now you see your mini notebook. Isn't it so cute? Now, if you like my video, subscribe. And if you like, subscribe and keep watching my video.